Welcome to Hindu Infopedia, your genuine Hindu info source. Today, we explore a powerful framework from the Upanishads that maps your full being beyond body and mind. It's called the Pancha Kosha, or the 5 sheaths of consciousness. Thousands of years ago, Indian rishis outlined this system, not as mythology, but as a precise science of the self. And now, modern psychology, medicine, and education are beginning to catch up. What are the Pancha Koshas? The Pancha Koshas describe 5 layers that make up human existence. These aren't just philosophical ideas. They are observable layers of our lived experience. And each layer plays a role in how we think, feel, act, and heal. Let's walk through each of these koshas. Annamaya Kosha, the physical body. Anna means food. This is the tangible body made from and sustained by the food we eat. It includes your muscles, bones, organs, all governed by nutrition, movement, and sleep. In today's terms, this relates to exercise, diet, biochemistry. But the sages taught that this is only the outermost layer, Pranamaya Kosha, the energy body. This is the sheath of prana or life force. It animates the body, supports breathing, circulation, and digestion. It's the unseen energy that fuels your vitality. Modern science now speaks of the biofield, heart rate variability, and energy regulation, all closely aligned with this layer. A recent study even found that children practicing simple breathwork had better focus and less anxiety. Direct proof of the Pranamaya Kosha at work. Manomaya Kosha, the mental emotional body. This is the mind that thinks, feels, reacts. It stores memories, beliefs, and emotional wounds. Trauma lives here. Stress begins here. Cognitive therapies, journaling, and mantras all aim to heal this layer. In fact, when emotional pain lingers, it often disturbs the body, revealing just how interconnected the koshas truly are. Vijnanamaya Kosha, the wisdom body. Vijnana means insight. This sheath is about discernment, your higher mind. It's what allows you to reflect, understand your purpose, and make ethical choices. Silence retreats, meditation, and value-based education help refine this kosha. Even high-performance coaches now emphasize self-reflection. Without realizing, they're activating this ancient layer of wisdom. Anandamaya Kosha, the bliss body. This is the subtlest sheath, one of pure joy, not tied to success or pleasure. It's the calm behind the chaos. It appears in deep meditation, moments of surrender, or profound inner peace. Modern research is beginning to capture this too. Scans of meditating monks show quiet, blissful brain states that align perfectly with descriptions of Anandamaya Kosha. Why does it matter today? In a world overwhelmed by stress, burnout, and disease, most treatments target just the physical body. But healing that ignores the energy, mind, or wisdom layers remains incomplete. That's why the Panchakosha model is so revolutionary. It addresses the whole person: body, breath, emotion, insight, and joy. Modern fields like psychoneuroimmunology, epigenetics, and trauma therapy are now confirming what the rishis taught. Our inner state shapes our health. Our thoughts influence our cells, and healing can begin from the inside out. For me, this was more than theory. Through practice and guidance at the Anadi Foundation, I discovered how each kosha mirrored my own journey. Emotional struggles disturbed my Manomaya Kosha. Meditation and scripture restored clarity. Minimalist living brought balance to my body and breath. These are not abstract layers, they are living dimensions within us. When we align them, healing flows naturally. In the next video, we'll go deeper into how modern science is validating each kosha and how education systems across Bharat are beginning to integrate this ancient wisdom into schools, helping students grow with emotional balance, energy awareness, and inner strength. Your 5 koshas are not a myth. They are you, a complete map to healing, clarity, and wholeness. We explored the Pancha Koshas, the 5 sheaths of human existence, as a roadmap for holistic healing and self-awareness. Today, let's move beyond their structure and examine their impact. how this ancient Vedic model is not only shaping personal transformation, but also influencing fields like neuroscience, education, and leadership development. A scientific awakening. The koshas, once considered esoteric, are now being validated by cutting-edge research. Consider psychoneuroimmunology, a field that studies how emotions affect the immune system. It reflects what rishis knew all along. When the Manomaya kosha is imbalanced through stress or grief, disease often follows, or epigenetics, which shows that thoughts and lifestyle can influence gene expression. This mirrors Vedic ideas that karmic imprints shape our biology over lifetimes. Heart rate variability, biofield mapping, and trauma healing methods like EMDR all point to the existence of subtle energy systems, what ancient texts described as the Pranamaya kosha. In short, modern science isn't just affirming the koshas, it's quietly rephrasing them. Beyond hospitals, healing that starts before symptoms. We often wait for symptoms before seeking help, but the kosha model offers preventive wisdom. For instance, many chronic conditions like fatigue, hormonal imbalance, or chronic pain may originate from emotional or energetic blockages long before the body shows signs. By paying attention to energy, emotion, and self-awareness, we shift from symptom management to root cause healing. Even therapeutic programs are beginning to take cues. Trauma-informed care now includes breathwork, mantra repetition, and body awareness, all aligned with different koshas. From ashram to classroom, kosha science in education. Remarkably, this ancient framework is now entering a new frontier, the school curriculum. Thanks to initiatives inspired by Bharat's National Education Policy 2020, the Panchakosha model is being introduced as part of holistic child development. Here's how it's being translated. Annamaya Kosha becomes lessons on posture, hygiene, and nutrition. Pranamaya is introduced through daily breathwork and movement routines. Manomaya enters through journaling, emotional literacy, and art-based expression. Vijnanamaya encourages reflection via stories, silence, and ethical dilemmas. And Anandamaya is explored through stillness practices like Yoga Nidra. These are not religious teachings. They are tools for emotional resilience, cognitive clarity, and joyful living, offered in a language children can understand and apply. In a time when anxiety and distraction are rising among youth, this dharmic blueprint is proving not only timeless, but urgently needed. The path beyond wellness, towards Siddhi. The koshas are not just about health, they are also a spiritual staircase. In the yogic tradition, the alignment and purification of these layers leads to Siddhi, inner mastery. Not magic tricks, but the ability to remain steady, perceptive, and fully alive, regardless of circumstance. When the body is stable, breath is smooth, the mind is calm, wisdom is active, and bliss is uncovered. Something subtle happens. The Atma, or self, shines through. This journey doesn't demand that you become a monk. It begins where you are, with awareness. And this is what the Kosha model offers, a way to grow in, not just grow up. Integration is the future. As East and West begin to collaborate across medicine, education, and psychology, the Kosha model acts as a bridge. It shows us that healing isn't just physical, learning isn't just mental, and fulfillment isn't just external. True wellness arises when all 5 koshas, body, energy, mind, wisdom, and bliss, are seen, respected, and nurtured. And that is why Bharat's civilizational frameworks matter, not just for cultural pride, but for humanity's future. The Panchakoshas are not a metaphor. They are an operating system for your life. Whether you're a student, a parent, a doctor, or a teacher, this map belongs to you. Use it to reflect, to guide, to balance, to return to wholeness. Because integration isn't a luxury anymore. It's a necessity. Thank you for watching. If the journey through the koshas has brought you closer to clarity, compassion, and consciousness, like the video. Subscribe to this channel and visit the blog to learn more at hinduinfopedia.org.